आज मैं भारत के गणमान्य व्यक्तियों का, जिनमें मुख्य रूप से भारत के प्रधान न्यायाधीश, राष्ट्रपति महोदय और मुख्य रूप से प्रधानमंत्री महोदय श्री मोदी सर का ध्यान इस बात की ओर आकृष्ट करता हूं कि उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य सूचना आयोग में सिर्फ अराजकता का राज है। यहाँ विधि सम्मत शासन का कोई लक्षण नहीं दिखता। महोदय, प्रार्थी आपका ध्यान इस बात की ओर आकृष्ट करता है कि जन सूचना अधिकार 2005 के तहत जितने भी अपील राज्य सूचना आयोग के समक्ष प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं, उनमें से मैक्सिमम अपीलों को राज्य सूचना आयोग का रजिस्ट्रार एक रटा रटाया जवाब लगाकर वापस कर देता है। रजिस्ट्रार महोदय कहते हैं कि अपील के साथ जन सूचना अधिकार 2005 के तहत प्रस्तुत किया गया प्रार्थना पत्र संलग्न नहीं है। अपील के साथ प्रथम अपील, जो कि वरिष्ठ अधिकारी को प्रस्तुत की गई, वह संलग्न नहीं है। फिर क्या? अपीलार्थी ने यह प्रस्तुत नहीं किया कि इसके पूर्व संबंधित प्रकरण में वह कोई अन्य अपील नहीं प्रस्तुत किया है। तोते की तरह यह रटा रटाया जवाब निबंधक राज्य सूचना आयोग उत्तर प्रदेश द्वारा दिया जाता है। महोदय, यह अक्सर हर अपील में ये करते हैं, अर्थात अपील को इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर तक पहुंचने ही नहीं दिया जाता है, उससे पहले ही निर्णय कर दिया जाता है। जन सूचना अधिकार 2005 नागरिक अधिकारों में संवर्धन है। क्या इसी ढंग से संवर्धन होगा? महोदय, आप खुद समझें। Right to Information Act 2005 was introduced by the Government of India to promote transparency and accountability in the working of public authority. How the transparency will be promoted? If the appeal submitted by the appellant will be returned back arbitrarily by the registrar of the State Information Commission, Government of Uttar Pradesh, whether it is justified. Every appeal which is submitted under subsection 3 of Section 19 is returned back by the Registrar of the State Information Commission of the Government of Uttar Pradesh on the flimsy ground, false and fabricated ground. Registrar says that with the second appeal, copy of the application submitted under subsection 1 of section 6 of Right to Information Act 2005 has not been submitted. Along with the appeal, first appeal submitted under subsection 1 of section 19 of Right to Information Act 2005 has not been submitted. Appellant has not submitted its affidavit that he has not submitted any appeal under subsection 3 of section 19 of Right to Information Act 2005 before the Commission. Sir, third point, scrutiny is concerned with the State Information Commission itself. Even when the appellant has submitted that, he has not submitted any appeal before it. When just after 1 month of the denial of the first appeal, he has submitted the second appeal, how can he submit the second appeal again? Because that will be time what? He will exceed the limitation. Sir, moreover, when the grievance is submitted before the State Information Commission, before the Prime Minister Office of the Government of India, and matter is forwarded by the state government to the State Information Commission, then arbitrary reply is submitted by the accountable staff of the State Information Commission that this rule has been met for the convenience of Information Commission. I ask that whether to arbitrarily reject the appeals of the appellants is the rule made by the any rule making body. Sir, representation has been submitted that appeal of the appellant has been rejected arbitrarily, and all the requisite documents has been submitted. Registrar arbitrarily rejected the appeal, but no accountable staff of the State Information Commission wants to entertain the complaint submitted before the Prime Minister Office, whether it is justified, whether it represents the rule of law in the state of Uttar Pradesh. When aggrieved will submit the second complaint, that matter was not entertained properly by the staff of State Information Commission Uttar Pradesh, then learned Joint Secretary of the Chief Minister Office, Arun Kumar Dubey, will say that this matter is not IGRS. Whether he will explain that what is IGRS? I expect from the dignitaries of this country, accountable public functionaries of this country, that they will take proper action in the matter to establish the rule of law in the government of Uttar Pradesh. Think about the gravity of situation that instead of seeking removal of the errors in the submitted appeal, Registrar of the State Information Commission, Government of Uttar Pradesh, returns back entire appeal with annexures, whether it is not the representation of indiscriminatory behavior of the registrar. Registrar of the State Information Commission has crossed every limit of the anarchy. He is working by colluding with the corrupt staff of the government of Uttar Pradesh not to provide the information to the information seekers. Your complainant is ready to face all the punishments which will be imposed by the accountable public functionaries of the government if whatever allegations have been made by the aggrieved is found wrong. Thank you, sir. Please take appropriate action if you want to establish the rule of law in the government of Uttar Pradesh and want that Yogi Sarkar in the state of Uttar Pradesh may act according to the rule of law. Thank you, sir.